अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं आपको वेलकम करना चाह रहा हूँ DSG एनुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस 2022। आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए।
I am engineer Faiz Bhutta. I am a senior energy consultant and CEO TechFor Consulting, and also the CEO of Energy Training and Research Center. So we provide training, consulting. That's our business.
तो आपको कौन से आपके पास क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए?
कॉन्फ्रेंस तो ये, क्योंकि दानियाल और जैन वगैरह हमारे पुराने दोस्त हैं, तो मैंने जब सुना तो उन्होंने मुझे इनवाइट किया। तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ गुड स्टेप दैट टू प्रोवाइड अवेयरनेस टू द people should know about the new technologies, what technologies are coming, what problems they are facing. So I think this is a good step towards this conference, and I am looking that this is a good mix of people from industry, from academia. So it's great.
Do you think Pakistan's future lies with renewable energy?
Yeah, this is not a new thing. It's a very old thing that now the future is renewable energy, and particularly solar and wind. These are the two sectors which will grow very fast. And now there is no solution. Everybody is coming because the prices of the energy are rising day by day, and dollar is also jumping. So there is no way other than solar and wind. So everybody is now thinking to shift towards the solar. So solar is the future, I think.
Finally, do you think for the current economic situation, do you think that solar and wind can help that even?
Yeah, there are some problems, okay, and economy problems are there, but ultimately how to resolve these economy problems? If the prices are increasing because of the economic situation, where the people will go? They will go for solar. There is no other way. Other way is they will come up on the roads. So there is no other solution. So they will either go for technology or go for the demonstrations.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope you enjoy.